Ladies and gentlemen, today is a special day. It's the first graduation ceremony in my life. I love to thank everyone for being here. Thank you for your encouragement and love in this wonderful school. There are many interesting toys and games. I like all the courses, the principal and the teachers love me so much. In this wonderful school, the principal and the teachers are like the gardener. They water the little flower with their patience and love. Make me healthy and strong. In this wonderful school, I learn how to be independent. I learn how to be brave and responsible. I learn how to make friends. I also learn how to take care of myself. In this wonderful school, we love each other. All the sweet memories will always is in my mind. Thank you, my dear principal. Thank you for being so nice. Thank you, my dear teachers. Thank you for your being so kind. Thank you for my dear friends. Thank you for being on my side. Thank you, my dear Daddy and Mommy. I will read everything you have done for me. It's time to say goodbye. I will be brave. I want to cry. I will try my best to be a good student. My best wishes to you, my dear teacher and friend. Goodbye, my dear friend. Love you. I love you forever. I love you forever.